Yes. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's a bit uncomfortable, but very real. Yes. It's called buff you don't matter anymore, economically speaking. Enough before you get defensive, this is about personal value or worse. You absolutely matter as a human being, but economically. Yes. The world has hanged so much that individuals, regular people like you and me, are starting to matter less and less in the bigger financial systems. Think about it. Gang corporations, automated systems, global trade algorithms, they're running the economy off. Not workers, yes. Not even small business owners. This is getting bigger, faster, and more detached from ordinary people. In this video, yes, we're going to break down what this is happening, how it affects you directly, and what you can still do to stay relevant in a world that seems to be moving on without you. Yes. So if you've ever felt like you doest matter as much as it used to, or that your money business every year, yes, sticks around, but also by the end of these videos, you'll understand exactly what that's happening, and what you can actually do about it. Let's get started. The shift from people to profit on the open time, economy is very built around people. Your skills, your labor, yes, your lots of business, they all matter it. But over the last 5 decades, so messing my hang it is, this didn't stop it rewarding people and started rewarding efficiency. Yes. Corporations realize it takes so to make more money by replacing people with systems. Machines replace it fat story workers. Yes. Algorithms replace it analysts. AI is not replacing retailers designate event others. In these new economies, human labor is seen as a cost, not an asset. It's not perpetual. Big companies don't tariff how you are, yes, as long as what gets done faster and happier. And that's fair of a startup or not matter economically, yes. This shift also explains how Vegas haven't grown much, viele profits have exploded. Yes. Productivity is up, but humans are honest getting rewarded for it. Instead, profits go to shareholders, corporations, yes, and the owners of technology. And here is the harsh truth, if you're not the owner of capital or technologies, you're used another part of the system being optimized. So when people say, or the economy is doing great, yes. Remember, the economy make be, but you make not best. The reason of the machine economy let's talk about automation and AI, that for biggest game hangers in the 21st century, fault companies. Machine don't sleep, don't get sick, don't complain, and don't need weekends off. That's for companies love it, yes. From hardbots handling service-stomers to self-direct trucks moving goods, technology is greatly removing millions of jobs, yes. And it's not used fat story workers anymore. I cannot read emails, desing logos, analyze data, even create ad and musits. The more advanced technology gets, yes, the less companies rely on people, and that's a problem if your only economic value comes from your labor. Economically speaking, your value is yet to have hard you to replace. And right now, machines are making most of us replaceables. This is however saying massive layoffs even as companies report profits. The system no longer needs as many humans to run. In short, the machine economy is efficient, profitable, and scalable, but it's also slowly pushing individuals out of the pits. That is of the middle class remember when the middle class used to be the backbone of society. Homeowners, steady jobs, savings, yes, veterans, all that stability came from an economy that rewarded hard work. But over the last 5 decades, yes, the middle class has been shrinking fast. Bedside cost kept increasing, housing, educations, health care, real vagas stay flat. And this automation on outsourcing, middling some jobs are disappearing, yes. Here is what's happening in simple terms. Wealth is moving upwards. Der rich of the systems that make money automatically. The poor and middle class are left competing for favor lower paying jobs. The result, more people renting instead of owning. More debt, less security. And a sense that no matter how hard you work, you're always behind. This is the coincidence, yes. It's the result of politics, technology, and globalization all favoring capital over labor. And once again, yes, the message is clear. If you don't own a piece of the system, you don't really matter in it. The illusion of how you make think bevel, you can still have to live fair to work, fat to buy, yes, but that's becoming an illusion too. Most of the hoites we think we're making are controlled by algorithms. What you see online, yes, what you buy, even how think is important, yes. Your attention is not produced, sold to advertisers by the platforms you use every day. In this kind of systems, the individual is valuable only as data. You're not a citizen anymore, you're a consumer profile. Think about profiles. Your spending habits, your clicks, your viewing time, that's what falls the economy of. It's no longer about what you produce but how you consume. So yes, yo still a matter, but only as part of a digital marketplace, not as an independent economic force. And that's the ultimate irony. The system that matter yo les valula as a vorker nof makes money off your attention instead. Yes. Fat you can steal the alright, so it's not aldom and glow. Yes. Terra are advised to stay relevant, but immense thinking differently about how you earn and build value. Harris fat you can do. Often some messing, a small business anonline brand, real estate or even digital assets. Yes. Ownership gives you leverage in a system that rewards capital. Learn adaptable skills, things machines can't actually replicate. Yes. Like creativity, leadership, and emotional intelligence. Use technology don't fix it, learn it tools. Use automation to your advantage and build your productivity around it. Invest early, and small investments compound over time. The goal is to have your money working for you, not to survive around. Yes. Think globally, opportunities aren't limited to where you live in an area. The internet is your new economy. You may not be able to hang the system, but you can position yourself smarter within it. The key is this. Yes. Stop trying to compete against technology and start learning how to work with it. So, don't you matter and anora economically speaking. But also the modern system is designed to reward ownership and automation, not individuals. The economy doesn't care about power play. It cares about productivity and profit. Yes. But that doesn't mean you're powerless. It just means you have to play the new game differently. Start by understanding where value is shifting. Don't wait for the old world to come back. It's not going to. Instead, use the tools available today to create, invest, and own your future. If this video helped you understand how the economy really works, make sure to hit that like button. Yes. Subscribe for more deep divers like this on the comment below. What do you think? Do individuals still have a power in today's economy, or are they use passengers in a system too big to control? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching. Remember, in today's economy, awareness is power. Stay smart, stay curious. Until see you in the next honor.